Hi folks, it is time for science. So this is your agenda for Monday, May 11th and Tuesday, May 12th. We are almost done with the year. We got about 2 weeks left, so we're going to finish up strong. Today you're going to understand waves and the electromagnetic spectrum. This is kind of our last little piece of information before we just kind of spend the rest of our time wrapping up this whole year and online learning. So, here's what we're doing today in a nutshell. You are going to review a PowerPoint which has lots of fun videos and notes. I do not have a formal note taker for you, and what that means is instead of taking notes and taking pictures of the notes and submitting them to Schoology, what you're going to do instead is review the notes. You can jot down things you find interesting, or things that you might think are important on a scratch piece of paper, and then to assess your understanding of the most important things of these notes, I am going to have you take a Schoology quiz. So let's go into Schoology and actually see what that looks like. So here's our home page. We'll scroll all the way down to our week of May 11th, and here you'll see our materials. So obviously we have our basic stuff, screencast, attendance question. Y'all are good on getting those done. And here's your actual assignment, which is a quiz assignment. So when you open this up, what you'll see is these sort of instructions first. It tells you you're going to review the PowerPoint and take this quiz. So you're going to open up this PowerPoint, and this is what you'll use to go ahead and begin taking some notes and review. There's some video links embedded in here which are kind of cool, like ones that talk about shock waves, a couple of ones that talk about binary code, how fiber optics cables work, and stuff like that. So you'll go through, review. Like I said, there's no formal note taker. Just take notes on things that you find interesting or things that you think are important. Once you are done with that, then you will start a new attempt of the quiz. Notice that you have 3 attempts on the quiz. So I do expect you to go through and try to get 100%. It will show you the correct answers after your attempt. So, you should be kind of set on that. If you have some troubles with that, please let me know as soon as you can. I just want to let you know that this week I may be a little bit harder to contact during class time and office hours. I will be helping with the students coming back into the building to get their materials and check in their books. So I will not be 100% available during our hangout time. But if you would like to contact me, I will still be available through email and be trying to answer those as soon as I can, and especially in the evening time when I'll be able to get back to my computer and take care of the emails. So just kind of keep that in mind. I do want to make sure that I am responsive to you, because this is kind of our home stretch, and some of you might be getting a little worried about grades or this or that. So I want to be there for you, and I will be there for you. It just may not be in the same format of the Google Hangout where it's going to be live face-to-face. It'll have to be a little bit more email this week. So I apologize for the slight inconvenience, but I appreciate your understanding and allowing me to help you all be back in the building safely by following social distancing standards. So, again, please let me know if you have questions. I'm here to help you, but please reach out via email this week, because Hangouts will not be a reliable way to reach me this week. I hope you are all well, and we'll see you next time. Bye!